Good afternoon. My name is Nancy Farrell and I'm the principal of First Colonial High School. It is a pleasure to welcome you to our virtual open house. I'm excited to begin a new year and I am looking forward to the opportunity to work with you and your students. Starting today, you will have the opportunity to meet the wonderful teachers who have been teaching your children this school year. I truly believe we have the best staff around. Let me start by introducing our administrative team. I have 5 marvelous administrators who will be working in collaboration with the members of our wonderful guidance staff to ensure your students can come to school and learn in an organized, effective, and safe environment. They are Ms. Shelton, the 12th grade administrator, Mrs. Church, our 11th grade administrator, Dr. Judge, the 10th grade administrator, Mr. Clark, the 9th grade administrator, and Mrs. Phillips, the coordinator of the Legal Studies Academy. Parents, your visibility, your attention, your expectations will make a big difference this year. Our students need your guidance and direction as well as your unconditional love. Love them enough to make them be responsible. Now, using your student's Chromebook, I invite you to go to each of their courses and in the green folder titled Course Information, click on the Open House video to see and hear information about the course and expectations. For a virtual tour of our school and to meet all our staff, go to our website and go to the first slide that will say, Welcome to our virtual open house. Working together, I'm looking forward to make this a great year. Be proud to be a Patriot. I hope you join the PTSA and booster clubs and that you will become active in our school. I would now like to introduce you to Mrs. Amanda Hutton, our PTSA president.